for those wondering, the L89 designation, we'll go back here to the front license plate, means that this is an aluminum head car. It's 427 cubic inches, aluminum head. Watch the value skyrocket on that car. Here's a 1970. It's an LT1 car. Had an LT1 specific hood. Should have a call out there. It says 350 cubic inches, solid lifter camshaft, 370 horsepower. 11-to-1 compression, 202 intake valve, 1.6 exhaust. Cortez silver. They called it Cortez silver on a Chevelle as well. And they also called it Cortez silver on a Camaro. Spoke to this gentleman earlier today. This is a 454 cubic inch 1971, loaded with options, including a rear defroster. He's been searching, and just simply can't find other cars with a rear defroster. You see the vent there on the rear deck? Factory paint car, unrestored, valuable car. Talk about red. I think somebody sang a song about a little red Corvette. That one technically is called Torch Red. 2000 model year. Here's another 1970. Is it another LT1 car? So you got two LT1s sitting side by side. Another triple diamond winner. One's a hardtop, one's a convertible. You don't see that too often. Two Cortez silver LT1 Corvettes from 1970. 350 inches, 370 horse. I didn't look at the transmission of either one of them, and I bet you they're both 4-speeds. All right, I got people waving at me, throwing me out of the place. So the Muscle Car Appraisal YouTube videos are done for the evening. See you all again soon.